Hi, Adias here. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to turn on and use the Bluetooth within the Roland AX-Edge. All right, let's get started. All right, to access the Bluetooth inside the Roland AX-Edge, it's very easy. So I'm going to press the menu button, and I'm going to cursor to the right, and it's going to be in the system settings. So I'm going to press the enter button, use my cursor to the right, and there is the Bluetooth. So I'm going to use my increment decrement button, turn it on, and now I'm going to exit one more time. And you see I have the Bluetooth icon in the screen of the AX-Edge. So I'm going to go ahead and start my iOS device and select the AX-Edge editor. So I'll get that going. So now I have it going. I have Bluetooth on the AX-Edge on. Now I need to make sure that the iOS device with the AX Editor Librarian recognizes the AX-Edge. So I'm going to go into my setup on the top right, select that. So I'm going to go into my Bluetooth devices right here, select that. I see my AX-Edge. I'm going to connect to it via Bluetooth, and now it's connected. Now it's reading the program list right in here. And now we see the MIDI device input and output is set to the AX-Edge via Bluetooth. Great. So now I'm going to go into the Librarian right here, and I'm going to say, you know what, open. So you see I can open a new file, and that would allow me to create a brand new Librarian file, so I can go ahead and copy and paste different programs in any order I want, or save all my custom programs to that Librarian so I always have it with me. I can pull from a particular file, I can pull from the cloud, or I can pull from the Axial website. So just in case you don't know about that website, it's axial.roland.com. Go there, and there is a complete list of sounds for a lot of different Roland keyboard products. So I'm going to choose from the AX-Edge, so I'll select that. And it said the current list will be discarded. Warning, this operation can take a long time. That is true, so it can. So I'll go ahead and hit OK. And this will take a long time because what's going to happen, it's reading all the program data from the AX-Edge into the Librarian Editor via Bluetooth on your iDevice or also your Android device, okay? Because the Librarian Editor is available for the iOS devices and also Android devices. So make sure you go to the appropriate stores for those devices and you can get that. So we're just going to let this load up and then we'll continue from there. All right, so now that our Bluetooth from the AX-Edge is communicating with the app right here on my iPhone, now let's take a closer look of what's offered inside the Editor Librarian. Now, before we go into that, let me just let you know about this. Anything that we can do inside the Editor Librarian app can also be done inside the AX-Edge by itself. That being said, maybe your iPhone died or your Android device died or you lost it or you forgot it and you need to do some quick edits at the gig. Once again, everything that you can edit inside the editor can be done solely inside the AX-Edge. So don't worry about that. Personally, I prefer to use the AX-Edge, the instrument by itself, but this is actually very, very handy, and everything that this accesses, the keyboard accesses as well. So everything that we learn in this format will carry over right into the keyboard. All right, so let's take a look at what the Editor Librarian offers. So first off, I can go through all of the sounds within the AX-Edge right here. So if I wanted to, I can go ahead and let's just have a little bit of fun. I might say, you know what? Let's check the acoustic bass. So I'll go ahead and click on that, and I'll hit preview. And it loaded it right into the keyboard for me. Now notice the sound did change in the screen, but it didn't change the number, okay? So I'm not sure what that is, but that's a little thing. So let's go ahead and choose something else. AXJP strings. So hit preview. And notice it's accessing the keyboard directly. It changed the sound right on the keyboard. But it didn't change the number. Okay, so just keep that in mind when you're editing.